About the kings of ancient Temasek, there were a total of 5 kings. In chronology, we have Sri Bhutana, Sri Pikaranwira, Sri Ranawikama, Paduka Sri Maharaja, and finally, last but not least, Sri Sultan Iskandar. Now I shall go into greater detail about the life of each of the kings. Sri Tribhuwana. He arrived in Temasek in 1299 and named it Singapura. He was primarily a descendant of Alexander the Great, a Greek conqueror. He ruled Singapura for 48 years. During his reign, Singapura had to send tribute gifts to the Yuan dynasty in China, and Wang Dayan, a Chinese traveler, visited Singapura. He was buried on Forbidden Hill after he passed away. Sri Pikaranwira. He was the eldest son of Sri Tribhuwana and succeeded him. During his reign, he fenced off an attack by the Javanese. He reigned for a total of 15 years. Sri Ranawikama. He was the son of Sri Pikaranwira and succeeded his father yet again. His war chief was called Badang, and he ruled for 13 years. Next I shall move on to Paduka Sri Maharaja. Son of Sri Ranawikama, he killed a boy who defended Singapore against an alleged swordfish attack. He reigned for 12 years and 6 months. Sri Sultan Iskandar Shah was the last of the kings. He was the son of Paduka Sri Maharaja, and he was betrayed by his treasurer as he killed his treasurer's daughter. During his reign, the neighboring Mahapajit Empire attacked Singapura, leading to its fall. He reigned 3 years and escaped to Muar, then Malaysia, during the Majapahit attack.